more C technique like LR parameter random function. Using that, we need to do for the. So before that, we have the true drop downs, right? Using the true drop downs only, we need capture for the random value. So in the Denver, it will be there, Los Angeles will be there. First, you need to do for the correlation. I think scripting errors will be there. Yeah. So everything is fine. Then we need to do for the correlation first, dynamic values, two drop downs. This is the Denver, right? You need select Denver and do for the correlation. Just I'm doing for the correlation, and we are selecting as a boundary base. And I think no need for this Denver. And apply and correlate. And after that we need to for the departure is completed, you need to do for the Los Angeles area also. You need to select this one and correlate selection and details. So you need to check with the boundaries. If you do for the auto correlation also no problem, but we should be careful with the boundaries. We are giving for correct boundaries or not. So by seeing this, we need to identify also. For you need to copy this one, you can do for the manual correlation also. It's no problem. Okay. So I think we are done, right? Just we can first thing we can execute. So we'll give for the ordinal is equal to all. And here also we need to give for the all. And we'll observe script will pause of I think I'm not started recording. Start. Everyone able to see, right?
Yes.
What is the issue? We got 3 errors. Maybe server is not. Yeah, failed to connect to server. So errors also important. Okay, while doing for the scripting, you're getting for more errors. Then only you can resolve. Means then it is real time. It is very useful for you because of there is server. Now we can execute. Now script will fail. 2 errors. Why it is failing? Okay, now script will be paused, right? Now we'll check with the so now you can see departure area all the values captured. Okay, So now what we can do means, we need to write for the for now true drop downs values will be there. I want to capture randomly for that point of view. So we need to write for the some technique. So we are done for the departure and arrival, right? Ordinal is equal to all. Okay, and after that, so we need to write for the after this request we need to write for the our code. So yesterday we write right same way we need to write for the that code also. So that will be generate the random value. How do we need to generate the random value? To generate the random value purpose, we need to write for the which function we need to write LR underscore which function?
Param underscore random.
ARR.
Yeah, PARAMARR. Okay, LR paramara random. See, this is the function, and before write the we need to save for this random value in the save string. That is why we need to write for the LR save string. LR save string and bracket open. See, what is our name of the this one? Like what is our name of the file name? Departure. So you need to copy this one and paste it as a here in double colon. We need to paste it. Control V, and after that we need to close that bracket. We can close that bracket and comma, and for this is the value. For this value we need to save for the some variable. In that variable I am giving as a in double colon, I am giving as a some rand s means rand s means source. Okay, I given for the rand s, and after that we need to close the bracket. So we can close this brackets. Every bracket is closed, right? For this bracket is closed, this bracket, and after that semicolon. So everyone understand, right? So to capture the which value we need to capture departure value. So that is why given for here will be departure. For this departure value, we need to save into the which value rand s in the variable I am saving. So same thing you need for write for the array also. LR underscore save underscore string. In that after that LR underscore paramare underscore random, and here we need to write for the what is the value we are passed here. You need to give for that is in double colon control V, and after that bracket close and comma, and we need to this value save into the some variable. That variable will be I am giving as a rand d, just rand d, nothing but destination. Okay, otherwise you are confusing means you need to give for the rand underscore departure. You need to give depart, and rand d means you need to give for the rand array, and after that you can close bracket. Okay, close the bracket and semicolon. So first thing, we are generating the random value, which one variable departure for this array. For this value we are saving to the using for the LR save string, we are saving to the in the variable is a rand departure and rand array. So now we need to compare for this tool which function we need to write. If strcmp, if strcmp string comparison, and we need to write for the to read these values we need to write for the which function? LR eval string. To read the value we need to give for the LR eval string, and LR eval string every time it will come with the curly braces in middle only it will come. So you need to give that one and close the bracket and comma, and for here you need to departure to we are saving where in rand departure. So you need to copy this and you need to copy here. And as same to, we need to same one more variable we need to compare. For this point of view, you need to copy and we need to write for the one more value we need to read. So what is that name of the variable? Rand array. You can copy and paste it. Okay. And after that, we need to write for the condition rand dest, no need comma. And after that, bracket close, right? After that bracket close, we need to close one more bracket and equal to 0 and one more bracket close. And this is the if condition, right? No need to write for the any semicolon. So if condition we written, just what we are doing, we are comparing using for the string comparison. We are reading the value LR eval string and LR eval string. So if it is a, we are writing for the condition. What is the condition? If condition. So we are writing condition, if condition. For here we need to write for the LR output message, LR output message, because we need to capture the value. So we are writing for the LR output in the bracket, close. In the bracket, we need to write for the depart and array. Array are same cannot book ticket. So we are written for the if condition LR output message departure and arrival are same, cannot book the ticket. So we are writing for the condition. After that, in the else part, we are writing for the else part. We need to write for the one more output message. So departure arrival are not same, can book the ticket. Means, for example, Denver cannot book the ticket. If it is a Denver Los Angeles, it will book ticket. So that is a condition we are written this code. Okay, everyone understand?
Yeah.
So we need to declare for the variable also. Actually, for this variable, we don't know, right? Rand array and rand departure and rand array. So you need to declare for the variable. I think we can declare as a char and what is the name? You need to copy and paste the same values, because of if anything means it will be and after that we need to assign for the sum and we'll give for the we'll see. First thing we will see if it is any errors will be there. We'll check thing. We'll see the output. So now we can observe Denver, Paris. Departure and arrival are not same, can book the ticket. So ticket is booked successful. Everyone will see.
Yes, sir.
So maybe This is first iteration, maybe second iteration. Means sometimes what will happen means departure area will be same. Then we'll see this message. Then okay, here also Denver and Paris is same. Departure and area are same. Cannot book the ticket. So this point of view, we need to write for that generate the randomly some value, and to capture the randomly drop down values means we need to write for this function. I will copy in the chart and everyone can save it. Okay. Everyone got it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chart window, you can check chart window.
Yeah.
Empty.
Chart window, you guys check, it will be there. Everyone got it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, no.
Yes.
One minute, I will check chart window. Yeah, Sriram we got right. Why you guys are not got? Only I send for Sriram only. Okay, 1 minute. Everyone. Meeting. Yeah, now everyone check.
Yeah. Yes.
Got it.
So everyone understand, right? I can explain again for this. Okay. I will explain one more time for please understand. So any drop downs, not only departure and arrival. So we have the two drop downs. So for the two drop downs, we need to select for the random values. So at that time, we need to using for the LR per hour and random function. Using that one, we need capture for the random value. That is point of view. We are writing for the function LR per hour random, and we are giving for the variable name. What is the value we are done for the dynamic value? So in the drop down, you need to give for the same name here. If you give for the different, it will not capture for that value. For this value, which value it is capturing? For example, some London it is capturing. For this value, we need save to the our load runner variable. That is why we are copying for the LR save string. We are giving for the LR save string. In this value, it will save to the RAND departure. And same to here also, in the array value, we are saving to the our load runner variable and array. And we are using this if strcmp string comparison function. Using this function, we are writing for the LR eval string, RAND departure, and comma LR eval string. So why we are using if strcmp means we need to comparing the two strings. String comparison means RAND departure and RAND array equal to 0 means if it is a same value, then we are writing for the cannot book the ticket. If it is not same, then can book the ticket. It is going to the else part and it will execute. Maybe it will be same. It will go to the here only LR output message, and it will not cannot book the ticket. Will get message. Maybe it is different. Then we'll get for the departure and there will be not same. Can book the ticket. Will get. So everyone understand? And for this, everyone can practice tomorrow. And one more thing, the material, everyone can see the one more thing. What is that? String tokenizer functionality will be there. You guys can try that one also. String tokenizer, nothing but what is the string tokenizer means? For example, one particular value will be there. We need to split into different values. Like for example, I am in India, it will be there. So I want different, and I am in different, and India will be. I need to split for this. Then we need to use for the string tokenizer functionality. For that point of view, we need to write for the some string tokenizer functionality. How it will be there? I will write for here. You guys can understand. Just some situation point of view you need to write. That is why I'm not writing in script. strcpy and nothing but copy. And I think it will be there in material. Everyone can try yourself. Maybe it is also work on, I don't know, in script. You can try this one and we'll meet tomorrow class.
Sir,
Okay.
here is string compilation, strcmp, string compilation. If we take ATI means ATY.
Sorry.
Here is a parenthesis open, strcmp, string compilation.
Yes, yes.
ATY, ATI.
A to I means that will be changed for the integer, sorry, a character to string.
Character system.
A to I.
Okay.
So some C techniques will be there. If anyone interested, you can go through that our document, and if we have the many scripting challenges will be there. So you can tell for the scripting challenges means you can tell this type of things. So we have the true dropdowns to generate the random value point of view. I write down for the LR param random function. Using this function, I compare for the using for the strcmp string